Hi people, hi. So this is, I can't remember if this is my first or second video. I bought an Apple Mac, people. I went to the Mac store and I bought a Mac. Yes, people, I bought a Mac. Yeah. And mini Mac. Yeah, so this is a little bag it came in. I also bought a hard drive because I put the cheapest mini Mac because I'm on a budget. I got a student discount, so it totaled 535. Then I think I spent another £35 of accidental damage for, I don't know if it's a year or two. But yeah. So I bought hard drive, a Toshiba hard drive, one trig, because the mini Mac's only 35 gig. I bought a wireless mouse, and I've already got a keyboard. What do you call it? A TV. What's it? LCD screen. So I was gonna buy the mouse, the Apple mouse, which was £80, and I probably got it for about 70. I guess about 75 with the student discount, or not 75, about 80. What? No, but yeah, it would have been about 73. I might still buy it, but another later date. This is the box. Oh god, this camera's a little bit too near. So this is the box. It's, you know what, I liked it because I wanted a small computer. I got a laptop, and the problem with my laptop is it's running out of a hard drive. It's got a C drive is small, and then I've got like 800 hard drive, and I can't seem to get things to me. I've tried to move, you know, when you save a program, you get a program, you download the program, it keeps on going to the C drive, and I keep telling it to go to the D drive, and it doesn't seem to be doing it, and it keeps on running out of space, so I've got to send it off. It's under, you know, what you call it, it's got accidental damage cover and stuff, so I'm going to get them to fix it. That's why I need a replacement computer. I've used a Mac at university and college, but I've never had one myself. I've never had an iPhone because I just simply couldn't afford it. But my student loan came, so I bought something that was going to be productive. Big up to Apple for giving me my 10% student discount. Definitely worth it. So I hope all the leads coming in it. It looks very nice. It's small. Oh, sorry, this is the box inside. This is the box. Yep. The leads. Okay, so you've got the leads here. Honestly, I'm so excited. God, I need to clean that screen of my computer. Just like, oh yeah, this my monitor screen needs cleaning. So exciting! I've never had one of these. Instruction. Designed by Apple, California. I don't know what that is actually. I should, if you want to see what it is. Like, is this like, I don't know what it is. Like, is it, what is that? Is it inside? I got that. I don't know what it is. So warranty, the mini Mac. Oh, instruction book. It's the instruction book, people. It's the instruction book. Just stashing it. Just stashing it. I already had a keyboard. I've already got a Bluetooth wireless keyboard anyway. So, I don't even know. What is this? What is this bit? What is this? What is this bit? What's this sticker? I don't know what this sticker is. Actually. Oh, do you have to move it off? You have to remove this bit. Sorry, shaking of the camera. Let me just undo this. Okay, the lever here. You have to. That gives you all the, so I can see an Ethernet cable, a HDMI, two USBs. I don't know what them two are. I'm not too sure. Is that for the apples? I think, is that a fan? And the, what you call it? Power. Is it heavy? It's quite heavy. Not too heavy, but heavy enough. Oh, and the power button there. Oh my god, the lead seems quite small as well. This lead's quite small. Smaller than what I thought it would be. Oh, excuse me. What am I looking for? Where is the HDMI cable? No, that's the lead for my thingy, and then that does my little speakers, and then HDMI for my TV monitor. And that's the push the thing on. Push it on. Oh yeah, it's powered on now. So people, that's what came in it. Yeah, that's what came in it. I won't bother unboxing all this. I'll do another video on it. You know what I mean? And I'll just show myself using it. But anyway, so that's my unboxing. Bye bye. Sorry about the camera shaking.